Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless headphones, specifically focusing on the top 5 best wireless headphones under $200. I'm excited to share my thoughts on these fantastic headphones. Top 1. Firstly, I want to introduce you to the Zohon Electronic Headphone, a revolutionary device that combines hearing protection with Bluetooth technology. These earmuffs are designed to ensure your safety while listening to music or being in loud environments. With its 23 decibels of noise reduction, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite tunes without worrying about damaging your ears. Plus, it's equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, allowing you to connect your device wirelessly with no delays or interruptions. The Zohon earmuffs feature adjustable headbands for a comfortable fit and ultra-soft ear cushions for added comfort. They're also lightweight and foldable for easy storage in your bag or backpack. And get this, it even has a built-in microphone and speaker, perfect for taking calls hands-free on the go. So why not treat yourself or a loved one to this amazing gift? This awesome product is available at Walmart and is currently on sale for just $31. Don't miss out on this awesome deal. Top 2. The Pacun F6 Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones. These headphones feature head tracking and 3D audio, making your listening experience truly immersive. With a hi-fi app control and 40mm high-res drivers, you'll be blown away by the crystal clear sound quality they deliver. Overview. The multifunctional electric foot massager, available on AliExpress, is designed to offer a comprehensive foot therapy experience, combining kneading, rolling, and heating functions to alleviate foot fatigue and improve overall well-being. Features. Kneading and rolling mimics professional massage techniques, targeting pressure points effectively. Heating function enhances the massage experience, promoting blood circulation and soothing tired muscles. Adjustable settings multiple intensity levels and modes cater to different needs and preferences. Performance. Users have reported significant relief from foot pain and improved relaxation after using this device. The combination of heat and massage offers a spa-like experience at home. Value for money. With a price of around $51.65, down from $86.08. It provides excellent value given its multifunctionality and effectiveness. The massager's benefits justify its cost, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking regular foot care. Top 3. The Ugreen HiTune Max 5 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. These headphones are packed with amazing features, including Bluetooth 5.0, multi-point connection, and even a built-in mic. Now, let's talk about the design. These headphones are lightweight yet durable, making them perfect for on-the-go use. They offer exceptional sound quality with high-res, LDAC sound and powerful active noise cancellation technology. Plus, they come with noise isolation earpads for added comfort and convenience. One of my favorite features is the 30-hour battery life and the ability to charge them via USB-C in just 2 hours. And guess what? You can connect these headphones to 2 devices at once using multi-point connection, making it super easy to switch between devices. But wait, there's more. These headphones also have an inbuilt mic that lets you take calls hands-free while you're on the go. They even support multiple codecs, including aptX, AACAS, BCA, LDAC, ensuring high-quality audio for all your listening needs. So if you're in the market for some top-notch Bluetooth headphones that offer noise cancellation and a comfortable fit, look no further than the Ugreen HiTune Max 5 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. Top 4. I'm so excited to share with you my latest obsession, the Ugreen HiTune Max 3 Hybrid 35 decibels ANC active noise cancelling headphones. I've been on the hunt for a great pair of wireless over-ear earphones, and let me tell you, these are absolutely amazing. I've tried numerous earbuds in the past, but none have compared to the sound quality and features of the Ugreen HiTune Max 3. The 3D spatial audio technology creates an immersive listening experience that's hard to beat. Plus, their ANC technology blocks out any unwanted noise, allowing you to fully enjoy your music or podcast without distractions. And here's the best part. These headphones are currently on sale. You can snag them for just $59.99. That's a whopping 40% off. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your pair and experience the ultimate sound adventure with Ugreen HiTune Max 3 Hybrid ANC headphones. Top 5. The OneMe E700 wireless Bluetooth headphones with LDAC, lossless high-res sound, ANC active noise reduction, and hi-fi stereo gaming headsets. First off, these headphones boast LDAC lossless high-res sound, which provides a crystal clear listening experience with outstanding sound clarity and dynamic range. With a 65-hour battery life, you can enjoy your music 4 days on end. But what really sets these headphones apart is their active noise reduction technology. With ANC, you can tune out the world and fully immerse yourself in your favorite tunes. Plus, they're perfect for gaming with their high-quality audio system that delivers superior sounds for immersive FPS and RPG games. And let's not forget about their sleek design. These headphones look super stylish and come in a variety of colors to match your style. They're also incredibly lightweight and comfortable, so you can wear them 4 hours without any discomfort. So, if you're in the market for top-notch wireless headphones, look no further than the OneMe E700 wireless Bluetooth headphones at $119.12. They're an amazing value for such high-quality features. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.